guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a video on this makeup look right here, and if you're interested how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Because I like to do my eyeshadow first, I always applied some eyeshadow primer, and when I applied it I like to set it with some translucent or white eyeshadow, and this one is from the Cocoa Plant palette by Zoeva. I'm going in with this light brown color from the same palette as my Physicions shade, and I put it into my crease and layer it up and then I like to blend it all out so we have no harsh lines. I'm taking this dark brown color right here and apply it onto my outer V of the eye, and then I'm gonna blend it all out. I'm taking the shimmery color right here and put it on the center of my eyelid. Again, I'm taking this light brown color and apply it onto my crease so everything is nice and blended. And to finish up the eyes, I'm taking this dark brown color again and deepen up the color on the outer V of my eye, and finally I blend all together. I applied my eyeliner off camera because it took so long and I didn't want to annoy you guys. Now I'm going in with my mascara, and I'm always doing 2 to 3 layers of mascara. I'm doing always so weird faces when I'm applying my makeup, so I'm sorry. Applying my primer and my foundation mixed with the Bodyshop shade adjusting drops, because I always fail in buying the right shade of foundation. So yeah, but I like the drops very much because they don't change the texture of the foundation and the color looks very good. I always take about 2 drops and then I mix it in. Now I'm taking this color correcting stick, and I definitely applied too much of the product, but it's okay because I'm gonna cover it up with my 2 favorite concealers, and I like the mixture of both because it gives me very full coverage underneath my eyes, and the color is perfect for this foundation color, and then I blend it in. I also like to apply this concealer onto my inner corners because they're very dark, and after that is done, I'm going in with a translucent powder to set everything in place. To finish up the eyes, I take a mixture of the light and dark brown color of the palette and apply some mascara onto my lower lashes. And then I'm doing my eyebrows, and it took me so long, but yeah, you know the struggle. And then I'm cleaning up the shape of the eyebrows with the concealer we used before. And then I'm setting everything in place. I'm so sorry, I just realized that my camera died and didn't record the scene where I applied my bronzer and my blush. So yeah, I'm sorry. But then I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbone and underneath the eyes, and then I'm going in with this wet sponge and press everything in place. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!